Hi everyone, welcome to today's English time. Hope you all are fine and doing well. Today we are going to discuss a poem. So last class we had discussed a story. This story's name One Foggy Morning. So today we are going to discuss a small poem titled as Windy Nights. Read the title Windy Nights. And the author of the poem is R.L. Stevenson. He is a Scottish novelist, poet, and a travel writer. And his famous works are Beautiful Home and Underwoods and Windy Nights, etc. So, what do you mean by windy nights? What do you mean by windy? Windy means arm or wind. Wind there is during a rainy season. Nowadays we are facing the night will be a heavy rain and wind will blow in a strong way, isn't it? So if there is much wind is there, we call windy. So when it is night, we call windy nights. So the poem is about wind. The poem is about wind. The poem title is Windy Nights, written by R.L. Stevenson. So shall we moving on to the poem? Okay. First line. Whenever the moon and stars are set, whenever the wind is high, all night long in the dark and wet, a man goes riding by. Late in the night when the fires are out, why does he gallop and gallop about? Whenever the trees are crying around and ships are tossed at sea, by on the highway low and loud, by at the gallop goes he. By at the gallop he goes, and then by he comes back at the gallop again. Windy Nights, written by R.L. Stevenson. Once again, whenever the moon and stars are set, whenever the wind is high, all night long in the dark and set, a man goes riding by. Late in the night when the fires are out, why does he gallop and gallop about? Whenever the trees are riding around, crying around, and ships are tossed at sea, by on the highway low and loud, by at the gallop goes he, by at the gallop he goes, and then by he comes by at the gallop again. So here the poet is telling about the wind. So he titled us The Windy Nights. Let us check what the poet is saying about the wind. Whenever the moon and stars are set, whenever the wind is high. So the poet is saying whenever the moon and stars are set. What do you mean by that? The time when the moon and stars were not seen in the sky. The all were in a foggy type. The stars and moon were hid by the clouds. So whenever the moon and stars not at the sky, whenever the wind is high, the wind is blowing in a high mode. All night long in the dark and wet, a man goes riding by. So the poet is saying all night long in the dark and wet. So at the night when the stars and the moon were hiding under the clouds, that time when the wind is very high, at that time a man goes riding by. A man is going in the horse. A horse rider going by in the dark night when the stars and the moon hiding by the clouds and the wind is high. So here the poet compares the wind with a man riding a horse or a horse rider. Here, the poet is comparing the wind with the horse rider. Why he is doing that? Why he is comparing the wind with the horse rider? Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Here, the poet is saying at night when the stars and the moon hide behind the clouds, and that time the wind is very high. That time wind is very high, and through the wet and dark night someone is riding the horse. Here he means the rider or the horse rider to the wind. To the poet, or the poet compares the wind with the horse rider. So the poet is saying what? When the night comes, when the stars and the moon hide behind the clouds and the wind is high, the wind sound, the poet feels the wind as a horse rider on a horse. Yes, the poet is saying the wind is blowing and blowing like what? A horse rider is riding a horse. The poet is saying the wind is blowing like a horse rider riding a horse. Here, the poet is comparing the wind with the horse rider. Understand? Once again, look at the lines. Whenever the moon and stars are set, whenever the wind is high, all night long in the dark and wet, a man goes riding by. So during that night, when the moon and stars were high under the clouds, and it's a very difficult night, the wet and dark night, the poet can hear the blowing sound of wind, and it hears like what? A horse rider is riding a horse. The blowing sound of the wind feels the poet that a horse rider is riding a horse. That much speedily, fastly, the wind is blowing. That's the poet saying the wind is blowing fastly like a horse rider riding a horse. Understand? Moving on to the next lines. Late in the night when the fires are out, why does he gallop about? Late in the night when the fires are out, why does he gallop about? So the poet is asking, the fires are at it's very dark at night. Very dark at night. Gallop means the horse. When the horse is riding and don't touching on the earth. When the horse is riding, did you see the horse riding? They move fast in the ground. Gallop means the horse is riding very fastly, not even touch the ground. So the poet is asking, during this cloudy night, during this dark night, when the fires all set, where the wind is going like a gallop. Where the wind is going like a gallop. The poet is asking, in this very dark night, when the stars and the moon hiding behind a cloud, when the wind is blowing very high, that time the fire is also set, no lights anywhere. That time when or where the wind is blowing, where the wind is blowing like a horse rider or a gallop. Gallop means a horse is riding very fastly, not even touching the ground. So here the poet is asking, when the fireworks are all out, all the moon stars all set, that time during the dark night, where did the wind is going like the gallop? Where is the wind going like a gallop? That's the first 6 lines. Whenever the moon and stars are set, whenever the wind is high, all night long in the dark and wet, a man goes riding by. Late in the night when the fires are out, why does he gallop and gallop above? So in this first 6 lines, it's about saying, and it's night. What's about happening in the night? The moon and stars were hide behind the clouds, and the wind is very high, and the night is very dark and wet, and all the fires were set. At that time, the wind is blowing, and the wind blowing is look like a horse rider riding a horse to the poet. The poet thinks that the blowing sound of the wind is like a horse rider riding a horse, and he thinks when there is no light, all fires are set. At that time, where this wind gallop and gallop. Gallop means a horse is riding very fastly, not even touching the ground. So like that, where did the wind is going? So moving on to the next lines. Whenever the trees are crying aloud and ships are tossed at sea, by on the highway low and loud, by at the gallop goes he. By at the gallop he goes, and then by he comes back at the gallop again. So first lines, whenever the trees are crying aloud. Did you ever hear the trees were crying? Did you ever hear the sound of a trees crying? When a strong wind is flowing through the trees were moved and a sound can hear from them. Isn't it? When the wind is blowing through the trees, a group of trees, what happened? The trees were moved and touched with one another. Then there would be a sound. So that's the thing the poet saying here. Whenever the trees are crying aloud. So when the trees crying aloud, when they make much sound, when the wind is blowing through it. The wind is blowing through the trees. That time the trees are crying aloud. Then, and ships are tossed at sea. So do you know when the ships were floating through the sea, when the wind is very high, what happened? The ship will move up and down through the waves. When the wind is very high, the ships in the sea will move up and down in the sea. That's the poet saying. And ships are tossed at sea. Tossed at sea means the ship will move up and down. Then, by on the highway, low and loud, at the gallop goes he. So on the highway, on the roads also he, the wind is blowing low and high, and by at the gallop goes he. Who is going like a gallop here? The wind. So the poet is saying the wind is going like a gallop or a fast horse rider. And what the wind make? When the wind going like a gallop, the trees were crying aloud. The trees were crying aloud and the ships were tossed at sea. The ship's movement will be faster than up and down movement on the waves. So the poet saying, when the wind is like a gallop, the wind is blowing like a gallop, what happened? The trees were crying aloud, and what happened? The ships were tossed at the sea. Then, by at the gallop he goes, and then by he comes back at the gallop again. What happened? When the wind is blowing and the blow blows through anywhere, he will be back also, isn't it? So the wind is blowing like a gallop. He is not noticing anything. What are the things happening on the way? The trees were crying loudly. The ships were tossed at the sea. Then Is there any matter with the wind? He is not mind. He didn't mind the things what happens when he is going on. What he is doing? He is going on. He by at the gallop he goes and then by he comes back and the gallop again. No matter he is minding what happens when he is going through it. The only thing he is doing what? He is blowing like a gallop. He is blowing like a faster horse rider. That's the poem Windy Nights. Whenever the moon and stars are set, whenever the wind is high, all night long in the dark and wet, a man goes riding by. So here, when the poet hear the wind blowing and the sound blowing the wind, he compares the wind with what? A horse rider. Or a horse rider riding a horse. Then what he says, late in the night when the fire's out, why does he gallop and gallop about? Then he compares the wind with the gallop. Gallop means what? A fast horse rider moving very fast and not even touching the ground. So when it's during the night, when the stars and the moon hiding behind the clouds, that time the wind is blowing. So the poet compares the wind with the horse rider, fastly moving horse rider, and he says the wind is blowing like a gallop. So when the wind is moving like a gallop, what happened? Whenever the trees are crying aloud and ships are tossed at sea, when the wind is blowing like a gallop, what happened? The trees would cry and the ships on the sea. The movement of the ship will change and it will be up and down. The movement will be faster. And the wind is not mind. What matters happens when he blowing on. He simply blows on. That's say by he comes back and the gallop again. He gallop again. He movely fast again. He will blow movely fast whenever the moon and stars are set, whenever the wind is high, all night long in the dark and sun, a man goes riding by. Late in the night when the fires are out, why does he gallop and gallop about? So in the first stanza, the poet compares the wind with a horse rider or a gallop. And the second stanza, what he is saying, whenever the trees are crying aloud and ships are tossed at sea, beyond the highway low and loud, by at the gallop goes he. By at the gallop he goes and then by he comes back at the gallop again. That's the poem Windy Nights. Let us check the textbook exercise now. So here we are going to discuss the textual exercises. So for that you have to sit along with your textbook. The first activities, they have given some sentences you have to write down. It's true or false. So the first sentence, the speaker can hear the man riding at night. The speaker can hear the man riding at night. Is it true? Yes. Why? The wind is blowing outside. So the poet thinks that the wind sounds like a man riding on a horse. So the speaker can hear the man riding at night. It's true. The sentence is true. Then next one. The speaker can hear the rider riding when it is stormy. It's true. Yes, because what? The poet can hear the riding sound. The night was very dark and wet. We have seen now. That time itself, the poet can hear the blowing sound of the wind. The speaker can hear the rider riding when it is stormy. The sentence is right. Then, third one. The rider hears the trees calling out to him. We have seen in the poem that the trees were crying aloud. Did you hear or remember that? The trees were crying aloud. That's here saying the rider hears the trees calling out to him. The sentence is true. Then the rider goes up and down in the highway. It's true. Yes, when the wind is going through the sea, into the trees, and in the highway, it's going up and down. So the sentence is right. Then the speaker can hear the rider when the sea is calm. Isn't it? The speaker can hear the rider when the sea is calm. Yes, why? The wind is blowing through like a rider on a horse. It's making much sound. So the sentence is right. Then last one. It is the wind during a storm that sounds like a horse rider. It's right. It is the wind during a storm that sounds like the horse rider. Is true? Yes. How about when the stormy night, the poet tells that he can hear the wind blowing through there like a horse rider. The sentence is true. The first activity, writing true or false. How to write there? The first side, the full sentence were true. Pick it in your textbook. Moving on to the next activity. Moving on to the next exercise. On the exercise, take the correct answer. One sentence is given there, and for the sentences, two options were there. So you have to take the correct one. First question. The wind is high. Options. It is very windy. The wind is flying high. It's a poet saying about the wind is high. The wind is high. The title of the poem itself says the answer. What? Windy. It is very windy. So first option is right. A. First A is the right sentence. It is very windy. Second one. In the dark and wet. Options. In the river when it is dark, or at night in the rain. When it is dark and wet. Dark means what? Night. Wet means what? It's raining. So which is the correct option? At night in the rain. Option B is the right one. Third question. When the fires are out, where options are when people have put out the fires and have gone to sleep. B option when the fire goes out of the house. What does the poet mean by when the fires are out? Which option is correct? The first one, when people have put out the fires and have gone to sleep. It's the correct answer. Option A. Then, last question. By at the gallop. Option A, he rides by very fast or he rides slowly. What do you mean by gallop? By at the gallop. What do you mean by gallop? Option A or B? Option A is the right one. He rides by very fast. So these are the answers. Once again, question 1, the wind is high. This is the correct option. Option A, it is very windy. Then second one, in the dark and wet. It is the right answer. Option B, at night in the rain. Then next up question 3, when the fires are out. Which one is right? Option A, when people have put out the fires and have gone to sleep. Next question, by at the gallop. What do you mean by gallop? Which option is right? A, he rides by very fast. This is the next exercise. So, Hope you understand. Moving on to the next exercise. So the next exercise for in your textbook, one column has given and you have to write down phrases using and. 3 columns where they are. In 2 columns, side by column, have the words and center have and. You have to write down the phrases using and. Many words are there, you can combine and join and form phrases. Here are the examples. First one, bright and sunny. This first one, bright and sunny. Second one, down and out. Down and out. Third one, now and then. This is the phrase, now and then. Then fourth one, tooth and nail. Tooth and nail. The next one, up and about. Up and about. Sixth one, hue and cry. Hue and cry. Seventh one, hard and fast. Hard and fast. Once again, these are the phrases, bright and sunny, down and out, now and then, to and nail, up and about, hue and cry, hard and fast. That's an exercise. You write down phrases using and. So once again, revise the poem. Windy Night. Who written the poem? Who written the poem? R. Stevenson. Then, what the poet saying in the poem is one night. It's very dark night. It's a special theme. The stars and the moon were hide behind the clouds. Then other things, all fireworks were out. That time a wind is blowing outside and the sound of the wind blowing outside, the poet can hear like a horse rider riding a horse. And the poet is saying the wind is blowing like a gallop. Gallop means a horse who is running far more faster than not even touching the ground. So the poet saying the wind is blowing like a gallop, and when it's moving through the trees would cry, and when it is going through the sea, the ships where movement will be changed. Then when it's going the highway, it will be up and down, and like that it goes and goes. The wind is blowing and blowing, not ending, and we can't see the wind, and only with the sound of the wind, the poet saying, what the poet saying, the sound of the wind is like a horse ride or a gallop. That's the poem, The Windy Night. I hope you all understand. Do the all exercise along with your textbook when you are listening to the class. And that much today's class. Thank you.